friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some DIY. I am currently 30 weeks pregnant and so I'm in full nesting mode. You want to show your balloon? Come on, Esther, show your balloon. Balloon. Okay, can I talk on the video now?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry about that. This is Esther, that's her balloon. Okay.
We have 3 balloons at our house.
Yes, we went to the restaurant and they gave us balloons today. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is, okay, so I, on Facebook Marketplace, bought for $5 a summer car seat cover. I thought it was a winter one, but when it came, it's really thin. But instead of having made the drive and having bargained it down to $5 and saying, oh, no thanks, I went ahead and bought it. And then I'm thinking, what can I make this and turn this into, right? Because I still need a car seat cover. So what I did was, it was connected right here. So I disconnected the fabric. And I'm going to use this with a small quilt.
Mommy, what are you going to do with that
Shh, Esther, I'm making a video, stop. So, I'm going to sew this onto here and make a car seat cover. So that's going to be my new car seat cover. And then I was thinking, what can I do with this fabric? Because I really like the pattern. What I'm going to do is, it's already right here. I'm going to remove the seam right here and cut it to make this into a nursing cover. All right? This is the cover for the car seat. It's got the handle that velcros onto the car seat. I'm excited. It looks nice. For turning the car seat cover into the nursing cover, I removed the top a little bit and I removed all of the elastic from the bottom, so I just cut this off. So